Hello children, how are you all in this today morning? Fine? Good. Myself Purvi Kapadia and I am going to teach you something new which you never learned before. Want to know about it? That is napkin folding. It makes your dining table so attractive. Do you remember whenever you go to the restaurants, napkins has been decorated in many ways. So let's learn with me different types of napkin folding. So first we will start with square folding. We will hold this from two sides, from two corners and make it half fold. Again we will fold this from the corners and join the edges. So our square fold napkin is ready. We will present like this. Pick rectangle fold. So for that again we have to join the edges, make it half fold. Again we will join the edges and we'll do like this. So this is our rectangle fold. Next is triangle fold. We will hold this from one corner and join this with the another corner. Now again we will do like this. If we want to make it small, again we will fold our triangle fold napkin. Next is pocket fold. For that we will hold from both the corners and make it 3/4 fold. Now we'll turn like this. Now from the left side we will fold it and from the right side also we will fold it. We will arrange spoon and fork. Now next is fan fold. For that we will do up and down folding. This is up and this is down. Now we'll do half fold. And arrange in one glass like this. Next is candle fold napkin. We'll fold this half now just turn little bit upwards and fold it like this. Now from any one side start rolling it. Roll it inside. Now this we will fold in the first layer. So our candle fold is ready. We will present. Now next is rose fold. For that we have to fold now from this side will not fold from this side, will fold from this side. The little small plates will round upwards. We will roll like this. Now from any one side we will do and this thing we will fold inside. Now we'll open this. So our rose fold is look like this. It's so beautifully looking. Next is twin candles, means two candles. For that we will fold from any one side and we will roll like this. We'll just roll till the end. Now from the middle we will do half fold. So our two candles we can present like this. So kids, hope you enjoyed this session. Now try this at home and make your dining table so beautiful and attractive. I must tell you, your parents will appreciate you. Thank you.